Google Cloud Associate Engineer certification question. What approach should a cloud engineer take to reserve an internal IP address for a sustained period of time, while optimizing for cost and performance for an application hosted on a compute engine instance that requires a significant amount of ingress data? A. Only assign a static internal IP address to the instance. B. Only associate the instance with an internal IP address that is ephemeral. C. You can give several temporary internal IP addresses to spread out the workload. D. Connect the instance to a regional static internal IP address and activate direct peering. Correct answer, D. Connect the instance to a regional static internal IP address and activate direct peering. Explanation. Associating the instance with a regional static internal IP address and enabling direct peering is the correct strategy. This approach allows for large data volume transfers directly into and out of Google's network, resulting in reduced costs and latency. Just associating the instance with a static internal IP address only will not optimize for cost and performance when dealing with a large amount of ingress data for a sustained period. Associating the instance with an ephemeral internal IP address is not the best strategy, as the IP address can change if the instance is stopped and restarted. Assigning multiple ephemeral internal IP addresses to distribute the load is not possible. In GCP, you can only assign one internal IP address per network interface, and each VM instance can have multiple network interfaces, up to a maximum of 8. Keywords. Reserve an internal IP address for a sustained period of time. Indicates the need to allocate a specific internal IP address for an extended duration. Optimizing for cost and performance. Emphasizes the importance of balancing cost efficiency and optimal performance. Application hosted on a compute engine instance. Specifies the platform on which the application is deployed. Significant amount of ingress data. Highlights the requirement for efficient handling of incoming data traffic. Subscribe and follow us.